Oh, good morning, good morning. It's a cold morning. It was about 2 or 3 degrees last night, so it was chilly in the van. We're at our favorite spot again, but it's only a stopover to Germany. We're going to visit some friends there. We go to Darmstadt, visit a friend, and then to Ettlingen. It is Ettlingen. But first, we have some business to do, right?
Yes, we have.
So, ticking off the items on our to-do list.
Yeah.
Number 2, our business is done.
Yeah.
Here in the Visit Center of National Park.
Because we have no toilet in the van, so we have to go somewhere.
We have about a 3-hour or 4-hour drive to Darmstadt.
Yeah.
We're going to visit Lynn first.
She's our Vietnamese friend.
Yeah. Now 7 or 8 years ago, I did my internship in Vietnam as a nurse.
Yeah.
I worked for 3 months in university hospital in the operation room, and across my flat was a little mom and pop store. She translated for me. I was there buying my bits and bobs, small food items. Her mom didn't speak English, but Lynn was there to help me. And now
she's studying in Germany.
Yeah, she's doing her master in Darmstadt. She came to visit us over the holidays.
Yeah, really nice girl, really nice.
Yeah, now we're paying her a visit before we move on more south into the Black Forest. First, Darmstadt.
And after Darmstadt, we go to Ettlingen. There you see our friends Svenja and Basti from Neuland Stories. They are famous YouTubers in Germany.
Oh, yeah.
But they are just back from their big trip. They did the Pan America. They went from Canada to Ushuaia. So they're in Germany again, so it's time to meet them before they leave again to Iceland next week. And we met them 4 years ago. We did our trip with the van in Spain, and we met them by accident. And we had a great time. We visited them in Germany, they came to Belgium, and now it's time to see them again.
Just waiting for my momentary stride, then press the other way on Pharaoh's fury ride.
Quick stop. Coffee break probably, lunch break. Next to a big road, busy road, but just look to the other side. Nature. Halfway, I guess. 1.5 hours to go, and we're in Darmstadt. We'll be early because we meet up at 5, so we're not in a hurry. We'll have a break here. It's beautiful here, see? Not that bad. We're close to the river Mosel, the wine region of Germany. But if you ignore the road noise, it's beautiful here.
Being back in Boris means coffee. Always coffee time.
Not only in Boris.
Every day.
We're in Darmstadt. See, we found an idyllic place. Huge parking lot next to a swimming pool, but it's pretty quiet. 20-minute walk from Lynn's flat. We're staying the night here. Tomorrow, don't know if we're going to see her again. We're going into town for sure. We want to do some shopping before going in the late afternoon, early evening to, I think it's Ettlingen to see Svenja and Basti the day afterwards. First, pleasant evening walk to Lynn's flat. And we made it to Lynn's room, finally. It's in the middle of the center, and first we were outside the center. Same street, same number. Very confusing. So it's time for presents now.
Alright.
Thank you.
And you like the dark chocolate? Because
Yeah.
I see the
That is
milk
beautiful.
chocolate, you don't like it that much. And the biscuit.
Thank you.
It's so good. Lynn made special Vietnamese food for us, vegan. She's a very good cook, but we knew that already.
You can have banana if you want to.
I love strawberries. We had a great evening.
With fantastic food.
Yeah, and we love the company of Lynn.
Yeah, of course we do. We come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we didn't film that much
No,
though.
because she was in her homeware and
Yeah.
she
Didn't feel comfy.
Yeah,
But,
can understand.
Tomorrow, she says, she's going to dress up. We go into the city and we have lunch together.
Yeah. So look forward to tomorrow.
Now about a 50-minute walk to Boris.
Yeah.
And we see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning.
Good morning. We are ready to go into the city center. Of
Rain
Darmstadt.
jackets. Rain jackets today.
Yeah. Sadly.
Yeah. We meet Tammy. I was going to say Tammy. No, Lynn. At 10.
10 o'clock.
And it's a bit drizzling. That's why we're all dressed up for the rain.
Maybe not for the whole day. So.
And the drizzle turned into rain. Just went to Lynn.
And Lynn she's just woke up, I think.
I think she just woke up.
And
So
we
we
meet
said
each other.
we meet each other in the center because it's raining. She does love rain. No problem. And we are walking in the city center, and you see Lynn joined us. He took a bus to the city center. Still a bit drizzling. We're going to walk around, and then we're going to go back to her room. She's going to prepare some food. I think late afternoon we already leave because weather is not cooperating. You see, we're back at Lynn's room.
Yeah. You had a great shower.
Yeah, my hair is wet, not because of the rain. It was raining very hard, so that's why we were back earlier. We took a shower, took advantage of it. Hot water, very good. Now, our favorite Vietnamese chef is preparing lunch.
Yeah. Maybe one day she'll be a YouTuber too. Cooking
I
videos.
think maybe she is too shy to be on camera. Yeah, she is. Anyway, we're going to have lunch, and this afternoon we drive to.
Another city.
Remember it?
No.
I think it's Ettlingen.
Ettlingen, that's it.
It's Ettlingen.
Yeah, it's Ettlingen.
See you there. Yeah, this is definitely not the city. This is not Ettlingen, but the river Rhine. We were supposed to meet our friends Svenja and Basti in Ettlingen, but they texted us and they said, "Oh, we're going to stay at the river Rhine tonight and drive into town tomorrow." Sounds like a plan. So we are here. They're not yet here. Maybe they arrive when we are asleep because they coming from the north of Germany right now, 6 or 7 hours drive, and then late afternoon they only want to leave. So probably see them tomorrow for breakfast. We have lunch tomorrow. And right now, enjoy this beautiful view. It's really nice here. Surprise, surprise. Good morning. What a beautiful day to wake up next to the river Rhine. Our friends from Northern Stories, Basti and Svenja, arrived yesterday, probably around midnight or even past midnight. Didn't hear them, but it was very weird to wake up, open our blinds and see their van after 3 years. It's been 3 years we've seen them in real life. Of course, we follow them on YouTube, not every week to be honest, but as much as possible. But seeing their van in real life, it's a weird feeling. And we are lucky, it's a beautiful day, it's sunny. Maybe, if they're up to, we can have breakfast outside. Anna's making pancakes right now. And after that we go to Ettlingen finally and to have lunch there. They have to do some paperwork for their van. Going to walk around and say our goodbye tonight, I guess.
You know my name. Hello, baby. It was so great to see our friends again.
Yeah, great catching up.
Yeah.
It was like we said our goodbyes yesterday.
Yeah, it felt also natural.
Yeah, it was a great morning.
And
Great
they look
weather,
great.
great
They are a
company.
bit tired, but all three of them look so great.
Pancakes were great as well. They left already for Ettlingen.
And we follow them
Yeah.
because we will have lunch there together.
Yeah, first they're going to register their car,
Yep.
and then we have a small lunch together before saying goodbye again.
No problem.
Het zelf doen.
Ja.
People love drama. They help it. What a nice day.
It was.
Yeah.
We're lucky with the weather. Had breakfast, al fresco lunch.
We went to Ettlingen, we had lunch there. Flammkuchen.
Vegan
Something
Flammkuchen.
typical from here, from Germany.
Meat pommes.
Pommes. Mwah.
There we said goodbye to Svenja and Basti. They're leaving in a few days to Iceland.
Yeah.
We stay a few more days here in Black Forest, Schwarzwald.
And now we are very high.
Yeah, one of the highest points I think here in the region. 860 meter on top, launching point for parasailers and
Yeah, a lot of walks around here. So
a lot of walks. We're going to walk here, going to hike here tomorrow. But that's for another vlog. That's for next week, for this week. Thanks for watching
thank you. If you like this, please thumbs up.
and leave a comment of
Yes.
course. See you next week.
See you. Bye bye.